in short, I'll be very honest. Please convince us that you were born in the Philippines, that you are Filipino, and that you are not what people suspect you to be. Dediretsuin ko na po. Kumbinsin mo kami kasi hindi po pwedeng hindi nyo maalala yung inyong first few years of living na formative years. Para makumbinsi kami, because we want to be convinced that all elected officials are Filipinos and not spies of other countries. So, as a nationally elected official, and I won in Tarlac, number 1, I think, or 2, and I won in Banban, perhaps even getting near sample ballot, we have to know. Di ba ho? So if you're really Chinese and fronting for other people, go back to your country. But if you are Filipino and you were born here, convince us because we want to be convinced. So I'm trying to help you by trying to make you recall about your childhood. Hindi pwedeng, kasi parang scripted. Kasi I was born on this is what I can remember. And then when I ask you the same question, it's the same rote, R-O-T-E. So convince us.
Your Honor, lumaki po ako sa Bamban, Tarlac. Lumaki po ako sa farm.
Paulit-ulit. Anong barangay, anong farm, sino po yung nag-alaga sa inyong sabi nyo na binibisita kayo ng ama nyo, ano yung family situation, sino pong makalaro nyo, kaklase nyo, kung homeschooled kayo, sino po nag-homeschool sa inyo, ganun po.
Madam Senador, ako po ay lumaki po sa Barangay Virgen de los Remedios, Bamban, Tarlac po. Ako po ay isang Filipino. Lumaki po ako kasama po yung mga empleyado po namin sa farm. Ipaprovide ko rin po yung mga pangalan. Come and go din po naman kasi yung mga naging empleyado po. 38 years ago po, Madam Senador, wala po ako talagang maalala ng sobra. Pero meron pa po ako isang kasama ngayon po na matagal na po sa amin, si Mang Boy po, na hanggang ngayon, kasama ko pa rin po siya. Sa susunod po, baka pwede ko po siya i-present din po dito para makilala niyo po. And in fact, 14 years old pa lang po ako, nagtatrabaho na po ako. Kilala po ako ng barangay chairman na mention po kanina na ipapaimbita. At bumibili na po ako ng mais. Pwede po ako mag-present po ng mga pangalan po nila na magpapaalam lang po ako sa kanila kung pwede ko po sila i-disclose po yung names po nila.
At, excuse me, San Loren, kung pwedeng idagdag, kung kaugnay nyo lahat ng mga taong ito mula nung pagkabata nyo, pwede nyo bang ikwento ng mahaba-haba ng konti in Kapampangan? Kasi syempre, kausap nyo sila sa sarili nilang lengguwahe.
Madam Chairman, ang Bamban po ay Tagalog po. Meron din pong Kapampangan, pero mga kasama ko po sa loob ng farm po, mostly po mga Bisaya po. Kasi ang piggery po, biosecurity po, hindi po sila lumalabas.
Well, actually, Senor, just for the record, may mga nag-o-observe na mga kababayan natin, pati mga netizens na mga Kapampangan, yan po ang tanong nila sa inyo. Kasi Kapampangan po ang lingwahe nila.
Yes. Can
Anyway,
you speak? Thank you for that interjection. It's very helpful. Magsalita po kayo sa Kapampangan kung kayo lumaki sa...
Madam Senador, konti lang po yung alam ko po sa Kapampangan. Ang alam ko po, sobrang konti lang po.
Okay, what Chinese language do you speak? Hokkien or Mandarin?
I can speak Hokkien po.
Okay, speak in Hokkien now.
Bo?
More. Tell us more about your life in China.
Wala po akong life po sa China. Dito po ako lumaki sa Pilipinas po.
Tell us about your life in the Philippines and tell us about your family in China in Hokkien.
Family ko po in
No,
China.
in Hokkien. Please tell us about your father who's from China and he used to visit you when you were a child, and the family of your father in China, and where are you from China in Hokkien. We have interpreters, and perhaps I can understand a little.
Yes po. Guai lao pe tui tai liok lai.
Continue.
Qua si Trung Quốc lang. Qua si Philippines lang.
Tell us about your relatives. Pakikwento po ang mga kamag-anak ng iyong ama. San sa bansang Sina ang inyong ama? At ano ang ginagawa niyo? Sinabi niyo embroidery, etc. Negosyo at mga kamag-anak niyo doon. Tell us.
Lauren, before she answers, maybe we can ask Ms. Batay, our Chinese interpreter, just to interpret to us what the mayor said.
Thank you.
Ms. Batay.
Okay, so in English, the interpretation would be, my father is from China. I am not a Chinese. I am a Filipino.
I mean, you're obviously half Chinese because if your father is full Chinese and your mother you claim is Filipino, right?
Your Honor, ako po ay isang Filipino at ang tatay ko po ay Chinese. Ako po ay, kung hindi man po ako full-blooded po na 100% po na Filipino, dahil po sa tatay ko, ako po ay isang Filipino po.
Okay. What do you recall in 1986 when you were born?
Your Honor.
And why is it that you obtained your birth certificate? To be fair, sometimes people only have their birth certificates much later. But tell us the process of obtaining your birth certificate in what year? What year did you get your birth certificate?
Your Honor, 2005 po.
Yes. How
Lord,
did you...
if I may just quickly add to your
Please,
earlier
please
question.
proceed, Madam Chair.
Mayor, may childhood photos ba kayo sa Bamban?
Yes.
Meron po, nung bata po ako, Madam Chairman, hindi po talaga uso cellphone. Pero sa nangyari po, meron po
camera
mga
po.
circulation po ng mga pictures ko po ng teenage life ko po sa conception. I can provide po. In fact, hindi ko po alam na meron po pala ganun picture.
Could you kindly give us the earliest photos of yourself and your family and your workmates, playmates in your very exclusive and close farm that you said, and your relatives in China and your father's relatives, and the time that you were born, 1986, hindi naman, okay, walang cellphone, but you must have photos. And
Yes po.
proof of your homeschooling, syempre pag homeschooled, meron pa rin yan mga report card, hard copy pa noon, hindi pa soft copy eh.
Yes po, Your Honor. Hanapin ko po yung mga picture po.
Uh,
Pati
so,
po yung mga tao po, pati po yung mga empleyado po na kasama ko po.
what was the situation, Mayor Go, noong 1986 when you were born? Where was your mother? Where were your parents? And saan mo binibisita kayo ng iyong ama at ang kasama niyong lumaki ay sino? Fill in the blanks, please.
Your Honor, 1986 po, nung pinanganak po ako, wala po akong any knowledge po. Dahil baby pa po ako noon, lumaki po ako, may nakikita po ako mga kasama po naging kasama po, naging partner po ng tatay ko po. At lumaki po ako sa farm, isa na rin po yung na-mention ko po nung nakaraan po na Senate hearing, si Teacher Rubilin po, nakasama ko rin po siya.
Can you please state once again your mother's name?
Amelia Leal po, biological mother ko po.
And have you ever met her?
Hindi ko po siya nakasama.
Have you ever met her?
Hindi po.
From the time you were born, from 86, hindi po nyo na silayan.
Hindi na po.
And tinanong po nyo sa inyong ama o sa mga kalaro nyo kasamahan sa farm?
Your Honor, how I wish po I have a perfect family po.
No, we lead imperfect lives. So I don't want to intrude on that. I just wanted to make sure. So, sa pagkaalam ba nyo ay Pilipino ang inyong ina?
Opo, yan po ang sinabi po sa akin ng tatay ko po. At lumaki po ako dito sa Pilipinas po. At wala rin po, Madam Senador, wala rin po ako ibang citizenship kung hindi Filipino lang po.
How did you acquire how did you obtain your birth certificate in 2005?
Minigay po sa akin, hindi po ako yung nag-prepare po nitong birth certificate. Hiningi ko po sa tatay ko po yung birth certificate ko po.
Was this discussed, Madam Chair? Did the PSA already look at the birth certificate? That was what was being discussed earlier, right, when I arrived? Yes. So that was, we will ask for the report from the PSA on the authenticity of that birth certificate.